Norwood designed the Frontier OS27 sawmill to be just as easy to maintain as it is a pleasure to use. Just a few simple routine steps will keep you and your sawmill milling smooth, valuable custom boards and beams just like this. The easy open guard covers give you ample room to work. Precision balanced cast iron band wheels can last a lifetime. And the centrifugal clutch requires no regular maintenance. The Easy Reach emergency stop is conveniently positioned right next to your operator's station. Safety switches ensure your guards are secured before operation. Your blade lube valve is also close at hand. The adjustable idler pulley clears your belt out of the way so you can make deeper cuts. The easy access port makes it fast to oil your winch drum. You'll appreciate that blade changes are simple and quick. Guards hold themselves open so you can work safely. A few turns of the tension T-handle releases your blade tension. Then carefully remove your used blade. Don't forget to wear your gloves. Install the new blade. Add a dab of grease to your tension T-handle and give it a few turns to retension your blade. Easy. Verify your tracking, close and latch your guards, and get back to the best part, making the sawdust fly. As you can see, your Frontier OS27 is simple to maintain and cuts through logs smoothly and efficiently. It's a smart investment, so have fun with it.